Mustafizur Rahman, Bengali Mustafizur Rahman, is a Bangladeshi international cricketer. He is one of the best fast bowlers to emerge from Bangladesh. Born on the 6th of September 1995 in Satkira, Bangladesh, Rahman's career took off during the 2015 Bangladesh Premier League when he caught the attention of cricket pundits with his ability to bowl accurate cutters and slower deliveries, earning him the nickname the Fizz. This talent quickly propelled him to international prominence. He plays for Chennai Super Kings in IPL and is a left-arm fast-medium bowler. Making his debut for the Bangladesh national team in 2015, Mustafizur Rahman showcased his skills in the limited overs formats. Mustafizur's international career highlights include his debut series against India in 2015, where he became the first player to claim 11 wickets in his first 2 one-day international matches. This achievement propelled Bangladesh to a historic series victory over India. He has represented his country in numerous international tournaments, including the ICC Cricket World Cup and the ICC Champions Trophy and Asia Cup. In club career, he was acquired by Sunrisers Hyderabad in 2016 with a fee of $208K, where he won his first Indian Premier League (IPL) title. He was the 5th highest wicket taker throughout the tournament. He is the only overseas player to win the Emerging Player Award in 2016 IPL for Sunrisers Hyderabad. He was listed in ICC Men's ODI Team of the Year 3 times, 2015, 2018, 2021, and ICC Men's T20I Team of the Year once, 2021. Currently, he plays for Chennai Super Kings in Indian Premier League and for Comilla Victorians in Bangladesh Premier League.